Niggas Lago got the force to give a shit. When we was riding, we was fucking hitting shit. Nigga, this bucket is itching. I pull it, I'm hitting this suit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Roddy Ric Show. On today's episode, we're going to the junkyard. We got a couple stuff we got to pick up for the 550i. Not my 550i, but more of my brother's 550i. We're gonna take the black one today. We're gonna ride out to the junkyard. I got a bunch of tools I brought from work, but a lot of the stuff is just gonna stay here. I don't really need, I don't need a scanner and stuff. I'm gonna take my pliers though, that's for sure. My electrical ratchets, take that for sure. I don't need my multimeter, so we'll leave that there, and we'll take the impacts and stuff because we might need those. So without further ado, I'm about to empty out this little toolbox right here that I have, this Stanley toolbox. Empty this out, load up the tools, load up the dolly, and we'll be on our way. You guys get to go on an exclusive ride with us today on the black 550i. My brother says this is the black edition, so
wow,
it's locked up. I can't show you, but I'll show you guys in a little bit when he comes out here and unlocks it for us. All right, guys, so we're pretty much loaded up and ready to head out. So you guys can see we got some tools here. I got more in there. We're at the bottom. We got the dolly, we got the e-torques, the torque wrenches, and we got a bunch of sockets right here. My brother's about to load that up right now. I'm gonna take that, and we're gonna get going. What you did, putting water in there? Why it was low? That's not low. The V8 beast in all its glory. Clean. Let me show you guys the interior now so you guys can see. Oh, you got getting your water bottles right here, bro. You've been thirsty, huh? Thirsty little boy. You got a little briefcase because you're the lawyer. So you got the whole M Sport package. The Black Series, I guess is what he called it. Here, let me zoom out for you guys. My coffee. But I guess the Black Series has the black headliner, has the thicker steering wheel, blacked out emblems. I know for a fact it has better wood trim because my wood trim is a little different. It actually looks like wood flooring. But his is all black, look, black rear view mirrors. I mean, not rear view mirrors, visors. Light handles. It's nice. We're about to head out. Be on our way.
Don't even ask me what's in my car, cause I live my life like a, say I live my life like a, say I live my life like a, hey, say I live my life like a, say I live my life like a, yeah, say I live my life like a, say I live my life like a, yeah, say I live my life like a, say I live my life like a, yeah.
Yo, so we just got here to the junkyard. We're about to get the diff out this 4.8. What is this, an X3, X5? X5. And look how they have this motherfucker. Came to get the diff. And look at how that motherfucker's sitting. Trying to see if they want to come lift the car up so that we can pull out the diff, but I highly doubt they're gonna want to do that. but we'll see what they want to do, because we're here for the diff, but we can't get it at this point. So he went to go get one of the workers to see if they could lift the car up. Let's see what he tells them. Yeah, you gotta go talk to somebody over there. They'll see if they can help. You gotta go talk to someone over there. Ah, fuck. All right, let me go see. Let me go see what they say down there. Them motherfuckers don't want to do shit, bro. Come on, you already know that. Trying to do the least amount of work. So just want to follow up with you guys. As of that video, we couldn't get the diff out. We didn't take a jack with us. I did find a jack right there in the junkyard in back of another truck. You know, one of those jacks that you keep spinning and it goes up like a scissor jack or whatever. I found one, but we couldn't lift it high enough to drop what we needed to. So they said you got to put an order in if you want them to lift the car up, or if you want them to take off the diff for you. I guess my brother said, fuck it, I'll put the order in. It's like $60 for them to take it out for you, and then the diff itself was like another $60 or something. I don't know how much he was spending in total. I think it was like $130 or something, which is still cheaper compared if you look for those diffs on eBay or whatever. They're like $400 or $500 for whatever reason. I guess it's like a 3.9 ratio or some shit. I don't know. My brother knows all that. But anyways, it was a big fail. We weren't able to get the diff that day. We did get a trans cooler because he wants an extra trans cooler, because he wants to put an extra trans cooler in on his E60, because he says his transmissions run kind of hot, which is cool. We ended up getting that. I got a couple other little stuff that I needed, but as for the main mission, it was a complete fail. But all in all, it was a good trip. It was fun. You know, it was hot as shit. We're out here in Southern California, but nothing too crazy. Thank you guys for watching, though. You have a good day and stay blessed.